Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover corner wall shelves decorating ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. A corner shelf can be a great way to create extra space. If you live in a small apartment, or have that hard to reach area that you just don't know what to do with, finding space for storage and adding your personal touch can be difficult. With any area or wall, utilizing the space that you do have is a necessity but can sometimes be hard to accomplish. A simple solution: corner shelves. Certain corner shelf designs allow you to create storage while adding a touch of your personality to the room. Corner shelves are easy to install and can be used throughout your home to store all those little knickknacks that you love while opening up your living area. With some basic tools and some imagination, you can utilize all your unused corner wall areas of your home. Just remember that, if you are installing a wall-mounted corner shelf, always pay attention to the weight limit associated with each type of shelf so you do not overload or damage the shelf or your wall. There are many types of corner shelves: floating shelves, corner bookshelves, glass shelves, and L-shaped shelves, just to name a few. Plus, you can fit your corner or wall shelf idea in a number of rooms, including your living room, dining room, bedroom, etc. Modern shelves offer great versatility with wide-ranging styles sure to please any selective DIY designer. Is boho chic your vibe? Check out the handsome boho rustic shelf. Does your taste run to urban or industrial? Look at the zigzag or the square freestanding shelf. Maybe your screened patio needs a display shelf for small plants. An adorable and stackable wireframe shelf could be just the fix. The bonus with all the selections? Corner shelves are a DIY installer's dream project. Simple installation or no assembly, even better. The wide variety of choices and sheer functionality means these shelves would be a perfect addition to anyone's sanctuary. Let us not forget budget-friendly. These shelving options are a purse-friendly choice that needs serious consideration when updating your decor. If you have been mulling over a DIY corner shelf idea, then we have the list for you. Let's get started with these suggestions to bump up your corner design game. The sleek and unique design of these shelves with its combination of curved and square shapes reminded me of a fun zipper. At home in either a rustic or urban room, this beautiful shelf unit has great versatility. Each piece is independent of the others, so the arrangement of the individual shelves can be tailored to your style. In a lovely medium walnut finish, this might be just the right choice for your unused corner. These shelves can be used in a bedroom as a wall-mounted nightstand or in a bathroom for a decorative display. With great looks. With a curved front to each tier, these dark-colored shelves are alluring. 5 tiers allows for lots of styling options. Great for holding lightweight collections of DVDs or small collections. They can be hung using large, removable hook and loop strips. Renters concerned about a security deposit could consider this hanging option, making the installation even easier. Is your tween into sci-fi or steampunk and begging for a room makeover? Corner shelves in this rich color are the perfect addition for their storage or display needs. The rich deep color of these shelves would add the instant moody ambience they crave. If you enjoyed these beautiful corner wall shelves ideas, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a joyful day ahead. Thank you. Enjoy the video.